Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you are doing great. So today we are going to cover check and checkmate. And checkmate is very interesting because if you give a checkmate, that simply means you have won the game. So today we are basically going to learn how to win the game of chess. So let me take you to my computer screen. Here you go. So what is check? Check means you are basically attacking the king, but king can do something. It can escape or do something. But if you give a checkmate, then king can't do anything. Here, is it a checkmate? The answer is no, it's not, because the rook can block. However, it will be a checkmate next. So if you can't block, if you can't run, or if you can't kill that piece which is giving check to your king, then you are checkmated. Checkmate means your game is over. Let's see another example. Here, this one you all try. I'll be giving you. Just try to think for a while and try to have a notebook along with you and write this answer on your notebook and try to see whether what you have written is it correct or not. If I bring my rook here and give you a check, is it a checkmate or what can you do? If you can do something, then write that move. And when I tell you, you can just rectify whether your answer is correct or not. So hope you have paused the video and you have written that move. The answer is this is not a checkmate. Here we can do something. That is, we can kill that piece. So if you can kill, block, or do something like this, then you are not checkmated. But if you have no option, let's keep this king here. Let's say if you move it here, now this is a checkmate. Here you can't do anything. This is one form of checkmate, and I am going to show you another form of checkmate. This is little advanced. Not advanced, I would say little interesting. Here, let's say I put a queen here. Is this a checkmate? The answer is yes. See, king can't go anywhere. Plus, it is supported by the rook. So this is a checkmate. If your piece is supported by anything, king can't capture. Obviously, if the rook had the option to capture, rook could have captured, but rook doesn't have the option. This form of checkmate is called support mate. Okay, it can happen like this. It can also happen like this way. Let me just put this bishop here. Now, how will you give a support mate? Again, try to pause the video and try to write. White to play, try to find the support mate in one. So here you go. This is a support mate. So today we have covered check and checkmate. There is another concept called stalemate, which is little advanced for now, but later we are going to cover that as well. So I hope you have enjoyed this session, and if you haven't liked this video, then please like this. I'm bringing more and more content. Like this video and also subscribe to the channel. Till then, have a nice day, and I shall see you in the next session. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.